Alright, Alex, what are we looking at here today?
Today we have this work cell. Starting off, this grabber moves over to touch the switch here. Then this conveyor belt moves the ball into place. The grabber grabs the ball and scoots it over, hitting this switch. The ball moves down and into place for this grabber. Grabber lifts it up, and the support arm comes down, or comes up, and the ball rolls back in place.
Talk about some of these sensors that you have over here.
Right. Some of the sensors we have on this work cell is these two ultrasonic sensors, which read when the ball moves past them and to move on to the next step. And then the final two sensors I have are these switches right here on each end. This tells when the grabber is on the left side or the right side of the work cell.
Let's look at some of this code here.
All right. So we have some starting code here and all of the code in sequence here with action. And going down, we have some of the actual code, which is like, here's to move the claw, and then some of the treadmills. Down here we have some of the single movements like the arms and the grabber.
All right, good job.
Thank you.